In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a wiper blade on a Hyundai Santa Fe. So once you unpackage the wiper blade, it's going to come with several connectors. You're going to match it up to the one that you have. And I'm going to pull this wiper arm up, clear it, and right there you'll see the clip. And I like to use a small screwdriver, or you can use a plastic little tool. You're going to pop that open like that. And then you're going to push this button in the back and slide this down, just like that. Just being careful. Now, another secret is put that arm down when you're not holding onto it. So the old clip, what you're looking for is just that loop. And there, you'll find it right there. There's the hook part right in there. So discard the wiper blade, grab your arm, bring it up, slide it right in so you hear it click. Now discard the white plastic by sliding it off. Then you can lower that right back down the windshield. The passenger side clip is identical to the driver's side, so it's the same procedure. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.